When you hear the name Rolls-Royce, one word comes to mind: perfection. Now imagine that same standard of craftsmanship, elegance, and exclusivity reimagined as a futuristic motorhome. Introducing the Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2035, the ultimate expression of luxury on wheels. From the outside, it's nothing short of breathtaking. The front is dominated by the iconic Pantheon grille, glowing with soft illumination, and topped with a redesigned Spirit of Ecstasy, sculpted from crystal and subtly backlit. The floating silhouette is pure Rolls-Royce, with seamless curves, a two-tone finish, and chrome accents that reflect timeless elegance. Every detail is handcrafted to perfection, making the vehicle look less like an RV and more like a rolling palace. The magic truly unfolds inside. Step through the automatic sliding doors, and you're welcomed into an interior that feels like a five-star suite on wheels. Rolls-Royce has brought its bespoke craftsmanship into every corner, from hand-stitched leather seats to real wood veneers and crystal glass accents. The roof transforms into a starlight sky, mimicking the brand's signature feature, while the windows turn opaque at a touch for complete privacy. The lounge is a masterpiece of comfort, featuring modular seating, a holographic entertainment wall, and personalized lighting. The kitchen is fully automated, blending into the walls with invisible appliances and voice-controlled systems. The bathroom is pure spa luxury, with marble-inspired surfaces, gold fixtures, and a self-cleaning system. At the rear, the master suite rivals luxury hotels, offering a king-size bed, walk-in wardrobe, and a panoramic view of the outside world. Underneath all this beauty lies Rolls-Royce's silent electric propulsion system, engineered to glide smoothly across any road. The motorhome also features autonomous chauffeur driving, ensuring you enjoy every journey without stress. With AI-powered navigation, climate control, and security, every detail has been designed for ultimate peace of mind. The Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2035 is not just a vehicle, it's an experience of royalty, luxury, and futuristic living, setting a new standard for what travel can mean in the future.